Hello again. Hope you all doing well. Okay, so today we will again study about kidney, okay? So we were studying about the features or structures of kidney, right? So we were studying external features or parts of kidney, which is capsule, renal hilum, renal sinus, renal pelvis and calyces. Okay, so today we will study about the internal features of kidney. If we cut our kidney and see inside, then what we will see? So we will study about that, okay? So before starting, you all know what to do. Like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so yeah, internal structure of kidney. Okay, so let's see the internal structures: cortex, medulla, renal pyramid, renal columns and renal papilla, and we have interlobal arteries and veins also. Okay, so let's see. So at first, renal cortex, okay? So renal cortex, is the outer portion of the kidney, okay? And structure between the renal capsule and renal medulla. Yeah, so the outer portion of kidney, right, means this portion, the outer portion of kidney, okay? The outer portion of kidney means this portion, okay? The outer part. Okay, so we cut our kidney half, okay, and if we see inside it will look like this. So the outer portion of the kidney is called the cortex, and structure between renal capsule and renal medulla. Okay, so renal capsule is the outer portion, outer covering, and the renal medulla is the inner portion. I will show you. So this is the inner portion, renal medulla, inner portion, okay, this whole inner portion, and the outer portion is renal cortex. Let me show you the renal medulla. Yes, so renal medulla, let's see, innermost part of the kidney, okay, innermost part. Let's see, this part. See, this is the cortex. From here to here, this is cortex. From here to the inside, from here to the inside, the innermost part is the medulla. I hope it's clear. It's split up into a number of sections known as renal pyramids. Now renal medulla, split up in some section, okay? It divides into some section which is called renal pyramids. Only this section, not this is the minor calyces. Only the this portion is the innermost part of the medulla divides into renal pyramids. Let me show you the pyramids. Medulla divides into cone shaped structures called renal pyramids. See, cone shaped structure, no? So these are pyramids, okay? Renal columns, extension of medulla between the renal pyramids. Now the whole inner portion is medulla, right? Medulla divides into small sections, small columns called small pyramids, cone shape portions called renal pyramids. And now between two pyramids there is a portion, this portion is called renal column, okay? Between two pyramids, okay, between the renal pyramids. Okay, so between the renal pyramids, two pyramids, the portion, the structure is called renal column, and renal column and renal pyramid both are part of renal medulla, okay? Yeah, renal papilla. Now apex of the pyramid, okay, now I will show you. This is the renal pyramid, no, and this is the minor calyces. Let's zoom out this portion, okay? If we zoom out this portion, it will look like this, no? This pyramid will look like this, right? If we zoom out this, then it has a base, right now we studied about renal papilla. It's saying apex part of the pyramid. Now what is the apex part of the pyramid? Let's see. Pyramid has two sides, okay, part directed towards the cortex, okay. Now this is the renal pyramid, this part, this outer part is the cortex. Now this is renal pyramid side which is facing the cortex. Now this side, this portion, means if we zoom out, then this portion which is facing the cortex, this portion is called base of pyramid, and the portion which is facing the minor calyces, okay, this part which is facing the minor calyces is called apex of pyramid, okay. This is the minor calyces, this part is facing the minor calyces, so this part is called base, apex, and the part which is facing the cortex, this part which is facing the cortex is called base. Okay, so base and apex. So the apex portion here, renal papilla means the apex portion is called, the apex portion of the, means this portion, you know, this portion is called the renal papilla. Okay, in this portion is called the renal papilla, which is joining with the minor calyces of renal pelvis, right? Okay, so now interlobar arteries and vein. Okay, just let me read it out for you, pyramid base, which is part directed towards the cortex, this part directed towards the cortex, and you know, pyramid apex, which is the part which is facing the minor calyces. Okay, and this part which is facing the minor calyces, this apex part of the pyramid, is called renal papilla. And interlobal arteries and veins, branch of renal artery and vein. Okay, let me show you the diagram. See, this is renal artery and this is vein, right? And it's, you know, invade inside the kidney and, you know, divides into multiple branch. Now inside the renal you know, cavity, the branches of renal arteries and veins are called interlobar arteries. Okay, these are you know, this is renal artery and vein, right? But inside the kidney it has multiple branches. Now the branches of renal arteries and veins, here it you know, spread like that. So here this part, this branches is called interlobar arteries. Okay, so let's repeat the parts. The outermost part is called cortex, the innermost part is called medulla. Now medulla extend and, you know, form renal pyramids, which is a cone shaped structure. And now between two renal pyramids we have a structure called a renal column, which is a part of medulla also. And if we, you know, zoom out our renal pyramid, it will look like this. So the part of renal pyramid which is showing, you know, directed towards the cortex, this part which is directed towards the cortex is called base, and the inner part, you know, which is directed towards the minor calyces is called apex, and the apex of kidney means this portion is called renal papilla. And the interlobal arteries, right, renal artery and vein, you know, divides into multiple branches inside the kidney. So the branches are called interlobal arteries and veins. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you.